Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you gamers out there. If you're looking for the best editing software for gaming videos, you've come to the right place. We're diving into Nero Platinum Unlimited, a powerful software that offers a range of multimedia tools to take your gaming content to the next level. Nero Platinum Unlimited is not just your run-of-the-mill editing software. It's a comprehensive multimedia suite that can handle everything from video editing to data backup and even PC tuning. Let's break down its key features. First up, we have video editing. Nero Platinum Unlimited lets you create stunning slideshows and personal movies. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this software has you covered. But it doesn't stop there. Nero Platinum Unlimited can also optimize your PC with just a few clicks. It's like a turbo boost for your computer, ensuring it's running at peak performance. Managing, playing, and converting media files is a breeze with Nero Platinum Unlimited. It supports various formats, including MP3, MP4, and even 8K videos. You can trust it to handle your gaming footage seamlessly. Data is precious, especially for gamers. This software allows you to create regular backups of your important files, giving you peace of mind that your gaming achievements and memories are safe. Nero Platinum Unlimited goes a step further by offering AI-powered photo management. It categorizes your photos by people, places, and more, making it easier to find and organize your gaming-related pictures. Need to rip and convert audio and video files? This software has a built-in converter that can handle that too, making it versatile for various multimedia tasks. Now, let's talk compatibility. Nero Platinum Unlimited works seamlessly on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, and even Windows 7, ensuring that gamers on various systems can take advantage of its features. What's great about Nero Platinum Unlimited is its user-friendly interface. It's available in 24 languages, making it accessible to users around the world, and it's designed to be straightforward and intuitive. If you're interested in Nero Platinum Unlimited, you might also want to consider related products like Nero Burn Express 4 for CD, DVD burning, Nero Platinum 2019 for more advanced features, or even CyberLink Power Director for video editing with AI support. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best editing software for gaming videos, Nero Platinum Unlimited is a top contender. With its wide range of features, compatibility with various Windows versions, and user-friendly interface, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!